Hello, my friend. How to make a hard decision. The work of a manager is to lead a decision-making process that guarantees all perspectives are taken into consideration. And, if necessary, they must give their vote to make the decision. Bill always taught us to surpass these different opinions and get to the core of the question. We can discuss opinions, but in general, we cannot discuss principles because everyone has agreed with them. As Bill would highlight, the work of a leader, when he has to make a hard decision, is to remember all these principles. As a result, it often gets easier to make the decision. What is Bill telling us? Focus on values, focus on principles, and your decisions will be much easier. First thing, step ahead to make the decision. Sometimes we avoid making hard decisions, but this is a mistake. First, decide to make the decision. Second, analyze all perspectives, different opinions. Then, make the decision based on your values. For example, at You Speak Now, our values are gratitude, dedication, honesty, being fast and excellent in whatever we do, and meritocracy. If someone from the team performs well, but is not aligned with the values, this performance is not good. Values are more important, and we must make our decisions based on them. Comment here about a hard situation, a hard decision you've made in your life, and how you felt after taking the step ahead. Comment here. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Today we see how the $1 trillion coach managed complicated geniuses.